Every stealth aircraft begins far from the sky, inside facilities built to remain unseen. This is not a factory designed for speed, but for absolute control. Nothing enters or exits without purpose.
The B-2 begins as engineered matter, not metal alone. Carbon fiber forms the backbone of stealth.
Where composites cannot endure, titanium takes over.
Every alloy is chosen for a precise role.
These materials are designed not to reflect, but to disappear. Every component is tracked before transformation begins.
Verification begins by hand. Surface consistency defines performance.
Tolerances are measured in fractions of a millimeter.
The flying wing is built layer by layer.
Each layer adds strength, shape, and stealth. Air is removed to ensure structural integrity.
Layer by layer, the wing becomes a single engineered structure.
Before curing, the layup is sealed from air, dust, and moisture.
As pressure drops, the layers compress into a uniform mass. Curing happens inside a pressure vessel built for extreme control. Once sealed, the cure cycle becomes a controlled environment of heat and pressure. Heat activates the resin. Pressure forces the structure into permanent alignment. Consistency matters as much as intensity. Behalem. Pressure must hold without fluctuation. Consistency matters as much as intensity. Behalem. Pressure must hold without fluctuation.
While composites cure, titanium is shaped into parts that carry extreme loads.
Every pass removes microns, shaping strength with precision. Every hole must match the structure's geometry exactly, or assembly fails. Precision here determines whether the wing fits together without correction.
Before final assembly, every interface is proven by hand. Stealth begins with a surface that leaves nothing to reflect. Even microscopic flaws can become a radar signature. Angles are engineered devilness because radar follows geometry. This layer is engineered to absorb what it cannot reflect. Consistency matters. An uneven coat is a weakness.
Invisibility is not paint. It is a controlled material layer.
Inside the wing, the aircraft becomes a network of controlled signals. Every route is deliberate raked to protect signals and prevent interference. Reliability is built into every connection.
Now, separate structures become one aircraft.
Form is achieved through alignment, not force. Assembly is procedure, repeated until perfection is guaranteed.
What you're looking at is a strategic machine built to Stealth is verified through measurement, not assumption. Every contour is mapped to confirm invisibility by design. Final refinements remove anything that could be detected. The moment of exposure is controlled. Even the reveal is engineered. The moment of exposure is controlled, Guy. Even the reveal is engineered.
Costing over $2 billion, it is built to strike without being seen.
Every curve is shaped to redirect what should never return. Built in silence, designed to remain unseen. This is how invisibility is manufactured.
You've been watching the process behind the world's most advanced machines. The Mega Mill, where the world's biggest machines are made.